Alright guys, just thought I'd give you the July 1st update of the garden here. This is the front flower garden. We planted potatoes up here this year. Doing fairly well. Looks like they're growing big. A little bit of weeds. And there's one sunflower in there, right in the middle of the screen there for you. Yeah, I don't know what them other weeds are, but I'm not going to pull them. They can just stay there. Yeah, potatoes are doing pretty good. Let me bring you to the backyard. Alright guys, so here we are in the backyard. Got a bigger area of potatoes all on the outside of the garden. They're looking fabulous. Some of them have flowers on them. I don't know what the heck that means, but we'll see. Got sunflowers on right next to them. Doing alright. Looks like they're getting eaten by some animals a little bit, but that's the way it goes. Corn looks okay. It's coming along. Planted other random stuff in here too. There's beans and peas and peas and beans. Just planted all this grass about a month ago. Not watered it once. It's doing great. A little patchy yet, but we'll reseed it again. You know, like I said, got some lettuce coming up. It's had random, from here over was all randomness, so just spread whatever kind of seeds we had, because we had to get rid of our seed collection from the last 2 years. Like I said, the corn's doing great, I think. I don't know if it's going to be knee-high by the 4th, but we'll see. Here we got a bunch of pumpkins planted. Looks pretty sparse. The woodchuck's been getting in here a little bit and eating. But hopefully some of them survive and we get a few pumpkins. You know, every day you look and there's a new one growing. So for every one he eats, we're probably getting 2 new growing. So it's not all that bad. Alright, I'm gonna bring you in to the actual garden there. Actually, before I bring you in there, here's the outside of the garden garlic. I'm gonna pick one of these right here live. This one's all bent over, so I'm just gonna see. Get in the shade or put this on a chair. Put this on a chair. Yeah, not the biggest garlic, but not too bad. We did grow these from store-bought garlic too, so that really doesn't look all that bad, huh, guys? Alright, let me bring you into the actual garden now. Alright, here we are. I got marigolds growing on this one. 2 peppers. 3 peppers. They're not doing so good. Bunch more peppers on this one. Couple peppers in this one. This tomato area was completely dead when we planted it. I think it's got probably like 4 or 5 tomato plants in it. Just figured, you know what, let's just see what happens. And yeah. Peas are dead. It got too hot for them, so they're dead for the year. Try to plant something else in there. Here is the first garlic we planted. Let me pull one of them. Well, you guys can see that, right? Yeah, about the same as the first one. So I think that's a win. I might be out here tomorrow or the next day and and start pulling them all. I think that'd probably be the best, because they are getting curly wonkied. Have to let them dry out somewhere, but yeah, I might just do that all today. There's some more tomato plants. Starting to get some flowers on them. Of course, we've got even more potatoes. A little bit of weeding to do. But this is where our old compost bin was the last 2 years, and we moved it out of the garden. So we got nothing in here. This is pretty well dead. We had cucumbers planted in here. Them ain't gonna do nothing. Here's some more tomato plants. In these 2 beds right here was I put cow manure in last fall, so that's probably why these things are doing it extremely well. Nice and big. Of course, there's marigolds planted in between each and every one. And then off to this one. Another one, doing pretty good. Got some flowers on these too, so. And then marigolds only in this one. Cucumbers died again. And strawberries. We transplanted all these strawberries this spring, so they're doing all right. Looks like they're making some new strawberry plants, so maybe by next year we'll get strawberries. And of course, compost bins on the outside. Alright guys, if your life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit and quitters never win. And hopefully you all have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.